In this video, we are going to learn differentiation. In differentiation, derivative of implicit functions. Exercise 1.3, question number 4. Exercise 1.3, question number 3 we did in previous video, जिसका लिंक आपको इस वीडियो में डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में दिया है. So kindly you watch that video. Here come to the question number 4, that is sub question 2, which is based on derivative of implicit functions. In previous video we explained that what are the implicit and explicit functions. Once again let us revise. What are the function y is equal to f of x, that means y is expressed as a function of x. So these are explicit function. This is explicit function. Explicit function such as y is equal to tan inverse of x. This is in explicit function. Now come to this function y xy is equal to x raised to power 3 by 2 y raised to power 3 by 2. Such type of examples are the examples of implicit functions. These are the example of implicit functions, because here y cannot be expressed as a function of x. Look at the question. Here also y is not expressed as a function of x, so such function is implicit function. So it is an implicit function. This is explicit function. So implicit and explicit function. Exercise 1.3, question number 4, second sub question. X to the power p, y to the power 4, x plus y, p plus 4, where p is belonging to n, we prove dy by dx is equal to y upon x. So here we take log of both sides and simplify this. So we take log of both sides and simplify it, taking log x to the power p, y to the power 4 is equal to log of x plus y raised to power p plus 4. Simplify it, p log x plus, here is product 4 log y is equal to p plus 4 into log of x plus y. Now this is what simplification. Log of m into n is log m plus log n. Log m raised to power n is n log m. Here also. Now after this simplification we differentiate with respect to x. So differentiating with respect to x, differentiation will give us p constant, derivative of log x 1 upon x, 4 constant, derivative of log y 1 upon y into dy by dx. Right hand side, p plus 4 is constant, derivative of log fx, which is 1 upon x plus y into derivative of this d dx of x plus y, which is p by x, 4 by y, dy by dx is equal to p plus 4 upon x plus y, derivative of x 1 plus derivative of y dy by dx. Here we collect dy by dx p upon x 4 upon y dy by dx. Right hand side will be p plus 4 upon x plus y multiplied to 1, again p plus 4 upon x plus y dy by dx. Now this dy by dx we collect, this term we collect from both sides, p by 4 by y minus p plus 4 upon x plus y into what? Dy by dx. Right hand side p plus 4 upon x plus y. Transfer this p upon x to the right hand side, p upon x to the right hand side. Now we take LCM of the denominator. So here we take LCM of the denominator, which is y into x plus y is the LCM. 4x plus 4y minus py minus 4y. Okay, minus py minus 4y and into dy by dx. Into dy by dx is equal to, right hand side is what? LCM of the denominator is again x plus y into x is the LCM of denominator. 4x px 4x minus px py px py. Okay, we simplify it. You can see the denominator x plus y. Here x plus y we cancel. Then 4y and 4y is getting cancelled. Px minus px is getting cancelled. Then what is left? In left hand side 4x minus py upon y into dy by dx. Right hand side 4x minus py upon x. So again from numerator 4x minus py you can cancel, and finally you are getting 1 upon y dy by dx is equal to 1 upon x. So that we can write dy by dx is equal to y upon x, which is required to prove. Thus dy by dx is y upon x. Taking log of both sides, simplify, then differentiating with respect to x, collect dy by dx term. Here we collect dy by dx term, and third sub question, sec of x to the power 5 y to the power 5 upon x to the power 5 minus y to the power 5 is equal to a square. So first let us take the inverse function. That means this can be written as x to the power 5 plus y to the power 5 upon x to the power 5 minus y to the power 5 is equal to sec inverse of a square. But this sec inverse of a square is constant. There is no x or y, so which is constant. Therefore, you can take it as k, suppose. So thus we have x to the power 5 y to the power 5 upon x to the power 5 minus y to the power 5, that is equal to k, that is we can write k upon 1. Now we have property of equal ratios. A upon b is equal to c upon d. This implies a plus b componendo dividendo. A plus b upon a minus b is equal to c plus d upon c minus d. This is what componendo dividendo. So we apply over here componendo dividendo, and you will be getting x to the power 5 y to the power 5 plus denominator x to the power 5 minus y to the power 5, x to the power 5 plus y to the power 5, that is a minus b. So a minus b will be x raised to power 5 minus y raised to power 5, which is k plus 1 upon k minus 1. Getting cancelled y to the power 5. Here x to the power 5 is getting cancelled, and this will be 2x to the power 5. Minus of minus, again it will be 2y to the power 5. So right hand side is k plus 1 upon k minus 1. Again this 2 is getting cancelled. So x to the y to the power 5 will take in the right hand side, x to the power 5 k plus 1 k minus 1 into y raised to power 5. Now this we differentiate with respect to x. Differentiating with respect to x, so we will be getting 5x to the power 4 right hand side, k plus 1 upon k minus 1 is constant. This is derivative of this will be 5y to the power 4 into dy by dx. Now this 5 is getting cancelled. So what is left here? X to the power 4 k plus 1 upon k minus 1 y to the power 4 dy by dx. Now we want to find dy by dx. Here k plus 1 k minus 1, see here k plus 1 k minus 1 is equal to x to the power 5 upon y to the power 5. So that we substitute here, x raised to power 4. What is this? K plus 1 upon k minus 1, x to the power 5 upon y to the power 5. So it is x to the power 5 y to the power 5 y raised to power 4 into dy by dx. Now this x to the power 4 is getting cancelled, y to the power 4 is getting cancelled, and finally we are getting here 1. Here it is x upon y dy by dx. Therefore required dy by dx is equal to dy by dx is equal to y upon x, which is required to show. See, in each problem we have to show dy by dx is equal to y upon x. So thus dy by dx is equal to y upon x. Fourth sub question, tan inverse of this is equal to a square, and prove that dy by dx is equal to y upon x. Here is tan inverse, so we take it tan of it, this invert function, so we'll write it tan of a square in the right hand side. Therefore 3x square minus 4y square upon 3x square plus 4y square is equal to tan of a square. What is this tan of a square? Whatever, but it is constant as x and y is not there, so we denote it by k, which is constant, and we write 3x square minus 4y square upon 3x square plus 4y square is equal to k. Now this k we can write as k upon 1, and we have componendo dividendo, that property of equal ratio a upon b is equal to c upon d, implies a plus b upon a minus b is equal to c plus d upon c minus d. So this property we apply over here. So numerator is a, denominator is b. 3x square minus 4y square plus 3x square plus 4y square, denominator 3x square minus 4y square, that is a minus b, 3x square plus 4y square. See, the right hand side is k plus 1, k minus 1. So what are this minus 4y square is getting cancelled, 3x square, these terms are getting cancelled, minus of that, this is what, 6x square, and denominator is minus 4y square, and this minus 8y square, right hand side k plus 1, k minus 1. Again this we simplify, minus of 3x square upon 4y square we can write k plus 1, k minus 1. Take cross multiplication. So cross multiplication will give us minus 3x square is equal to 4y square into k plus 1, k minus 1. Now differentiate with respect to x. We differentiate with respect to x. So this derivative will be derivative of x square 2x minus 6x. This derivative will be 8y into dy by dx, k plus 1, k minus 1 as it is. But we know k plus 1, k minus 1 is equal to minus 6x square upon minus 8y square. So that is to be right over here. So that minus 6x 8y dy by dx into this. From 1 we will write minus 6x square upon 8y square. This we write. So here x is getting cancelled, 6 minus 6, and this x is getting cancelled, minus 6 is getting cancelled, 8y is getting cancelled. So we will get here 1 dy by dx into what is left here. This 6 is getting cancelled, 8 is getting cancelled. So x upon y is left, and writing here dy by dx is equal to y upon x we can write, which is required to show. So dy by dx is equal to y upon x. This is required to show here dy by dx. Fifth question, cos inverse of this is equal to tan inverse of A. So this will write here cos of tan inverse of A, and which will be a constant. Therefore 7x to the power 4 5y to the power 4 upon 7x to the power 4 minus 5y to the power 4, which is equal to cos of tan inverse of A. Cos of tan inverse of A, it is independent of variables, so therefore it is constant k. That means 7x to the power 4 plus 5y to the power 4, 7x to the power 4 minus 5y to the power 4, which is equal to k here. So that we can write as k upon 1. Now again we use componendo dividendo. So write it 7x to the power 4 plus 5y to the power 4 plus 7x to the power 4 minus 5y to the power 4 upon, that is a plus b upon a minus b, 7x to the power 4 plus 5y to the power 4 minus 7x to the power 4 minus 5y to the power 4. Similarly, right hand side, k plus 1 upon k minus 1. So what we can cancel here, this 5y to the power 4, 7x to the power 4 is getting cancelled, 7 and 7 14, x to the power 4, and denominator is, it will be minus of minus, so it will be 10 y to the power 4. Right hand side is k plus 1 upon k minus 1. We can reduce this, 7x to the power 4 5y to the power 4 is equal to k plus 1 upon k minus 1, dividing by 2. Take cross multiplication, this gives, so it will give us 7x to the power 4 is equal to k plus 1 upon k minus 1 into 5y to the power 4. Now this we differentiate with respect to x. Differentiating with respect to x. Okay, we differentiate it with respect to x. This will be 4x cube derivative will be 7 into 4x cube. Here k plus 1, k minus 1, this is 5 into 4y cube and dy by dx. This we can cancel 4 from either side, and we substitute k plus 1 upon k minus 1. So what is this k plus 1 upon k minus 1, which is 7x to the power 4 upon 5y to the power 4. 7x cube is equal to, this we substitute, k plus 1 upon k minus 1. What is that? 7x to the power 4 upon 5y to the power 4. What is left over here? 5y cube dy by dx. Now what we can cancel? X cube is getting cancelled with this, y cube is getting cancelled with this, and this 7 is getting cancelled, 5 is getting cancelled, and finally we are getting here 1. Right hand side is x upon y into dy by dx. So thus dy by dx is equal to y upon x, which is required to prove. Dy by dx is equal to y upon x. Sixth sub question, log of this is equal to 20. So here we apply this. If log of x is equal to y, this is what logarithmic form, then it gives exponential form as x is equal to e raised to power y. So this is what logarithmic form, and this is exponential form. So log of x is y, so this implies x is equal to e raised to power y. So same here we apply, log of this is equal to 20, so this expression will be equals to e raised to power 20, which is constant. So therefore we apply this, x raised to power 20 minus y raised to power 20 upon x raised to power 20 plus y raised to power 20 is equal to e raised to power 20. So whatever it is but constant, this is equal to k constant. So thus we are getting here x to the power 20 minus y to the power 20 upon x raised to power 20 plus y raised to power 20, which is equal to k upon 1. Now we use again componendo dividendo here. So by that componendo dividendo, x to the power 20 minus y to the power 20 plus x raised to power 20 plus y raised to power 20, x raised to power 20 minus y raised to power 20 minus here a plus b upon a minus b, a plus b upon a minus b, similarly right hand side is k plus 1 upon k minus 1. So what we can cancel here, this y raised to power 20 is cancelled, x raised to power 20 is getting cancelled, x raised to power 20, x raised to power 20, it is 2 times x raised to power 20 denominator minus of 2 times y raised to power 20, and the right hand side is k plus 1 upon k minus 1. So this again 2 is getting cancelled. What is left over here? Minus x raised to power 20 upon y raised to power 20 is equal to k plus 1 upon k minus 1. Rearrange the terms. So rearranging these terms, minus of x raised to power 20 is equal to k plus 1 k minus 1 y raised to power 20. Now differentiate it with respect to x. Differentiating with respect to x, this is minus 20 x to the power 19. Right hand side is k plus 1 k minus 1. 20 y raised to power 19 into dy by dx. This 20 is getting cancelled, and as we have k plus 1 upon k minus 1 is minus of x raised to power 20 upon y raised to power 20. Here minus x to the power 19. This we substitute here. Minus x raised to power 20 y raised to power 20 and y raised to power 19 dy by dx. What is getting then? Here x raised to power 19 is getting cancelled, y raised to power 19 is getting cancelled, and finally here 1x upon y into dy by dx. So we'll be getting dy by dx is equal to, so what we are getting, dy by dx is equal to y upon x, which is required. We require to show dy by dx is equal to y upon x. Seventh sub question, e raised to power x square minus y square upon x square plus y square is equal to a, and prove that dy by dx is equal to y upon x. It is in exponential form, so we can put in the logarithmic form like this. Here e raised to power x is equal to y. Then this is what exponential form. So we can write its logarithmic form as x is equal to log of y. So this is exponential form, this is logarithmic form. So let us put in the logarithmic form. Therefore x square minus y square x square upon x square plus y square is equal to, it will be log of a. But whatever it is constant, this is constant k. So x square minus y square x square plus y square is equal to k. So that can be written k upon 1. Now we use here componendo dividendo. X square minus y square plus x square plus y square. We use componendo dividendo x square minus y square minus x square plus y square is equal to k plus 1 k minus 1. So what we can cancel over here, minus y square and plus y square is getting cancelled. Here x square and minus x square is getting cancelled. So it will be 2x square. This will be minus 2y square is equal to k plus 1, k minus 1. Again this 2 is getting cancelled. Minus of x square is equal to k plus 1, k minus 1 into y square. Taking cross multiplication, differentiate with respect to x. This differentiation is minus of 2x, right hand side k plus 1, k minus 1. Here this differentiation is 2y into dy by dx. This 2 is getting cancelled, and here we have minus x square upon y square is equal to k plus 1, k minus 1, which is k plus 1, k minus 1 we can replace by minus of x, k plus 1, k minus 1, we write minus x square y square into y into dy by dx. So this y is getting cancelled, this x is getting cancelled, minus sign will get again cancelled. So it is 1 x upon y into dy by dx. So what is dy by dx we are getting? Dy by dx is equal to y upon x. This is required to show. Dy by dx is equal to y upon x is required to show. In the next video, we will come with the same exercise, question number 5. So kindly like, share and subscribe this channel. Thank you very much.